What's up, everybody? I just wanted to give you a quick look of my Surly long haul trucker, and this is the bike that I plan on using for some touring eventually. But a couple things I like on it is the classic Brooks Champion B17 seat. And then at first this seat isn't super comfortable, but once you get used to it, after a couple hundred miles, maybe even a couple thousand miles, you end up loving the seat. So it's great, super comfortable. I like having this Planet bike light, which allows me to ride at night, and it's got a couple different settings. The tires I chose on this bike are the Armadillos. It's got the anti-flat technology, and they're almost 2-inch tires. It's 26-inch by 1.95, and they have a nice grip on them too, which allows me for a little bit of off-roading, gravel, and maybe even some mountain bike trails, as long as they're not too windy, because I do have road style handlebars on this bike. It's equipped with a little bell to warn other trail users that if I'm passing them. I like the little bit of a thicker lizard skins right here. I had the standard ones, and these kind of have I think there's a little bit of gel underneath them, which gives you a little more comfort for those longer rides. It's got the Shimano stuff on there, and the pedals I ended up going with, I like these little flat ones when I'm just cruising around, and then I have the clip-ins, the Shimanos right here, and I just use regular mountain bike shoes that clip right in, and super comfortable. I got 2 bike holders right here on those longer rides, and yeah, it's a super nice bike. Definitely one of my favorites. It's better than a lot of my road bikes because of the comfort of the 2-inch tires, which glide over any terrain. And yeah, if you're looking into a touring bike, the Surly long haul trucker would be one I'd suggest looking into. It's got the steel frame, which I actually had dipped in special anti-rust oil at a bike shop here in the Chicago suburbs, RRB Cycles in I think Kenilworth. And so it has that rust protection on the bike frame. And yeah, this is my favorite bike of all time that I've had. As funny as I've tried different ones, but this is kind of seems to be my go-to bicycle. But yeah, if you read the reviews on these Surly long haul trucker bikes, they have really good reviews overall. So all right, check in with everybody later. Just wanted to show off my trusty touring bike.